Here is a comparison between Novamane and Alphasinfuse. Novamane means that you don't have to do pills, there are no surgery, and no side effects when you use this. As you can see, it has different categories that you can use: shampoo and conditioner, micro infusion system, and other options that you can go ahead and choose. On the other hand, Alphasinfuse is just sticking to its well-known extract, which is the green extract. It's a micro-infusion that doesn't sit on your scalp like shampoos or serums. So this is just go ahead and designed to work deeper, helping you improve the appearance of thinning of the hair. Now here's a table for a concise comparison. Now for the dopamine, its main focus is neuro wellness and its key strength is brain signal analysis, while Alpha Infuse is a cognitive health, while the key strength is biofeedback. So if you're looking for more shampoo style, you can go ahead and purchase Novamane. But if you're looking for a more type that has been an extract, you can go ahead and use Alpha Infuse.